going to see a program on a LED where we turn on the LED with the help of push button, push button uh, by programming it into the Arduino board. So now here the things that we are using is the resistor of 10K, the resistor of 330K. With the at LED junction we are using 330. At the LED junction we are using 330 ohm resistor, and at the what we call push button junction we are using 10K ohm what we call resistor. Now basically what we are doing is, if you see the circuit connection, so here we have push button. One end will go to the fourth pin of a digital section, and another end will be connected to the, if you see here on the circuit diagram, here we are connected to the 10K resistor, resistor 10K ohm resistor, and then finally it will go to the grounded section. Why is it continuously? Yeah, now it's okay. Now this point, from this end, this wire will go to the 5 volts. It means it will go to the power section or 5 volts VCC. It will go to VCC, and here the ground section of LED as well as the push button, we have combined it over here, and then this, and then it will go to the ground section on the power side of the Arduino. Now here let's go to the coding part. Here what we do is, here we have taken three buttons. One is BTN pin equal to 4. It means what? From the button section we have connected to the fourth pin on the digital section of Arduino. Next one, btn value. So this btn value, button value, we have taken as 0. It is of integer type. These are all global variables. Now this is called led. Now we are taking uh, variable led of type int whose value is 2. Now now if you see here, the value is 2. Why this value is 2? Because on the Arduino pin at the digital section we are connecting at the second pin at the digital section. Now let us go to the one function called setup. In this we are using serial dot begin 9600. After that we are setting up a pin mode which says that btn pin comma input. So we are taking input. Okay, so what does the button does? It gives what? It gives input, it doesn't give the output, right? Now next section, next line, we have pin mode led comma output. So generally led is a output device. What does it do? It gives up the light. Now this is the led, this is the led variable. Now what is the value of led? Led is equals to 2. It means what? We are connecting the negative part of the led to the second pin on the digital section of Arduino. Now let us move to the next function called void loop. In void loop, what we are doing is, we are declaring one variable integer value again equal to digital read btn pin. So whatever we do activity, so suppose this is a btn pin, suppose if I press this, whatever the value is there, it will be read, okay, and it will be stored into the button value. Then we are doing the serial print. In serial print, what we are exactly doing here is, we are printing the statement button value. Okay, it's like a printf statement in C. Serial dot println button value. So whatever the value that we have obtained from btn pin, right, from btn pin, whatever the value we have obtained and the value is been read, that value will be stored in a button value. Now we are printing the button value. Okay. Now on the next line we are saying digital write. Digital write LED button value. So what is the value of LED? The value of LED is 2. What is the value of button? It will be this variable. This variable will access the value from the BTM pin after being it is digital read. So the moment, so let us first save. First we need to verify it, and then we have to upload. The moment we upload, we get a message done uploading. Now we shall open the serial monitor window. So if we see here, the button value is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, right? So the moment I press here, please show the video. The moment I press, just take it closer. The moment I press the button, you can see there is the value changes to 1 if you see here. Okay, and along with that, the moment I press the button, here we have push button, the LED is turned on. So that's all, friends, about programming of LED turning on, turning off with the help of push button on Arduino. Thank you. I hope you all have understood. Please hit the like button and share and subscribe.